Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again. This is the third edition T20 tournament played at Shukar Tulba ground. This is a good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. आज थोड़ा बहुत देर होने की वजह से अब आज 2 ओवर्स काट लिए गए एक टीम के, तो ये मुकाबला 18 ओवर और 20 ओवरों का होगा आज 2 टीमों के दरमियान। दिस इज अनदर गुड डिलीवरी। बाला मोबाइल दो, मोबाइल मैच को चला, मोबाइल दो, मोबाइल another good delivery. Nero me ayo. Kursi ana, kursi ana Faisal Said. Faisal kursi ana 5 को जल्दी हाथ पे वाला से यहाँ वाला कैसा सर यूरो kita bisa atau sebuah barang ya. Ada gua kan gua pakai ni. Here we go again. This is T20 Super Cup, the third edition of this tournament, and this is the match between Patan Blues and CSK Palawan. दिन में बेल जाता ठीक कोई मत बोल चना मुझे सर प्लेयर कंप्यूटर वाले के जनाब भाई वीडियो लाइक शेयर और वीडियो का डिस्लाइक निकाल जोड़ा हो यही बात वो किसका वाली से चाहते Here we go again. This is T20 Super Cup. Is the third edition of this tournament, and this is the match between CSK Palawan and Blue Star Cricket Club Patan. This is the second over of this innings. It's Zubair Wani and Jahangir on the crease, and the bowler is Junaid Nazir. Now Junaid Nazir is the fourth ball of this over. Junaid Nazir with this wicket as a first wicket for CSK Palawan. As a beautiful bowling by Junaid Nazir. The first one was dot delivery, and the second one was 6, and the third one was also 6, and now this is the wicket for Junaid Nazir. And it was the very, very beautiful player who was playing beautiful shots, but unfortunately for him, this is Junaid Nazir on the bowling mark. Well, bowled him. He bowled beautifully, and this is the wicket for CSK Palawan. Scorecard what's that? Is per. Scorecard is per. Mas is per. Mas got some more. It's sweet. Na like. Walaikum assalam. Thank you for joining this live stream. This is the match between Blue Star Patan and Czech Super King. And the new batsman is Yakub. As Junaid Nazir on the bowling mark. Junaid with his fifth ball. As new batter Yakub. Oh, it's a beautiful bowling by Junaid Nazir. It's a great bowling by him. It was the fifth delivery of his over, and it's dot one. And Yakub will face Junaid Nazir. Junaid Nazir with his last ball of his over, and as a beautiful bowling by him. Oh, what a delivery! Good wicket keeping behind the wickets. Salik Wani. It's a great wicket keeping by Salik Wani, and it was Junaid Nazir who finished his over with his dot one. And now 2 overs are gone, and CK with the loss of 1 wicket. And now it's Tafazul Rahman on the bowling mark. Tafazul Rahman with his first ball of his over, and it's Jahangir on the crease. Oh, that's a great shot by Jahangir. There's a fielder behind. There was third man, and the Jahangir will run for 1. There's a fielder, and now it's Yakub on the crease. He's looking at the ball. Tafazul Rahman is looking pretty good, and it's Yakub जो कि अभी क्रीज पर खड़े हैं, एंड तफजुल रहमान अपनी बॉलिंग मार्क पर. तफजुल रहमान बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद, शॉर्ट लेंथ पे बॉलिंग करेंगे. बहुत ही अच्छी डिलीवरी तफजुल रहमान के द्वारा. इट्स याकूब एंड जहांगीर जो कि क्रीज पर खड़े हैं इस वक्त. तफजुल रहमान अपनी चौथी बॉल करेंगे. बड़ा खेलने की कोशिश करेंगे याकूब, लेकिन मिस करेंगे. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग तफजुल रहमान के द्वारा. इट्स अ ग्रेट बॉलिंग बाय हिम. एंड नाउ 2 गेंदें बाकी है इस ओवर की. याकूब जिसने इस बार भी बड़ा खेलना चाहते थे, लेकिन इस बार भी मिस करेंगे. याकूब जिसके खाते में अभी कोई रन नहीं है, और तफजुल रहमान जिसके ओवर में सिर्फ 1 रन आई है. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग तफजुल रहमान के द्वारा. एंड इट्स याकूब जो कि इस ओवर की लास्ट गेंद फेस करेंगे. तफजुल रहमान कदमों का इस्तेमाल, लेकिन कीपर के ऊपर से बॉल जाएगी सीधा लॉन्ग स्टॉप पे. कोई फील्डर नहीं वहाँ पर. 4 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पर सीके फलालन को. ऑल्सो अंपायर वाइड बॉल डिक्लेयर करेंगे इस बार. बहुत ही आने ट्रैक नजर आता हुआ याकूब. इस बार फिर से कदमों का प्रयास किया, लेकिन इस बार भी मिस करेंगे. अच्छी बॉलिंग यहाँ पर तफजुल रहमान के द्वारा. यहाँ पर पहला विकेट जुनैद नज़ीर ने लिया था, जो कि अच्छा गेंदबाज, अच्छे शॉट्स खेले. पहले डॉट डिलीवरी की दूसरी बॉल पे छक्का जड़ा उसने, और तीसरी बॉल पे भी छक्का जड़ा, लेकिन चौथी बॉल पे विकेट्स. बहुत ही अच्छी डिलीवरी यहाँ पर जुनैद नज़ीर के द्वारा. As Murtaza Ashraf who is joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream and for these beautiful comments. Keep sharing this live stream. And now it's Junaid Nazir with his second ball. और इस बार भी अच्छी गेंद थी, लेकिन अंपायर वाइड डिलीवरी डिक्लेयर करेंगे। Now again it's Jahangir on the crease. बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, मिड विकेट के ऊपर से खेलेंगे। बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, डीप स्वेपर के ऊपर से बहुत ही लंबा जाएंगे इस बार। बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट जहांगीर की ओर, जहाँ पर लगातार डॉट गेंदें आ रही थी, लेकिन इस बार जहांगीर बहुत ही अच्छा स्ट्रोक खेलेंगे अपनी टीम के लिए। बहुत ही अच्छा स्ट्रोक, मिड विकेट के ऊपर से खेलेंगे जहांगीर छक्के के लिए। बहुत ही लंबा गए and it was Junaid Nazir, the bowler. I was the third delivery of this over, and first one was dot delivery, and the second one was wide delivery, and now it's 6 for CK. That's a great shot by Jahangir. बहुत ही अच्छा स्ट्रोक खेला। And now again Junaid Nazir with his fourth ball. याकूब सामना कर जहांगीर सामना करेंगे। यहाँ पर फील्ड मिड ऑफ पे खड़े थे और अच्छी तरह बॉल को स्टॉप करेंगे। नाइस स्टॉप बाय द फील्डर। अगेन इट्स जुनैद विद हिज फोर्थ डिलीवरी। जहांगीर जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी ले में दिखते हुए अगेन बड़ा हिट करना चाहते थे, लेकिन इस बार भी मिस करेंगे जहांगीर, और इस बार भी डॉट पे खेलेंगे। किंग अस्सलाम वालेकुम बिलाल भाई। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। जुनैद नज़ीर अगेन, इस बार भी बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट याकूब जहांगीर की ओर। बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रोक, इस बार भी छक्के के लिए जाएंगे। मिड विकेट के ऊपर से ये शॉट, बहुत ही बढ़िया स्ट्रोक जहांगीर की ओर। एंड इज द सेकंड 6 ऑफ दिस ओवर। पहले ओवर में भी 2 छक्के आए थे, लेकिन उसी टाइम विकेट भी ली थी, कोई मसला नहीं हुआ था। लेकिन इस बार जहांगीर बहुत ही अच्छी ले में दिखते हुए। बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट जहांगीर की ओर, छक्का चढ़ा यहाँ पर जहांगीर ने। पहला शॉट भी उसी तरफ, एंड नाउ इज द सेकंड वन एंड इट इज बिग वन। And it's CK 32 with the loss of 1 wicket, and it was the 5th delivery of 4th over. Who is bowling Junaid Nazir. Junaid Nazir अपनी लास्ट बॉल फेंकी के अपने ओवर की। It was the second over of the Junaid. पिछले ओवर में भी विकेट आया था, and now we'll see क्या होगा इस बार। Oh, what a delivery by Junaid Nazir. बहुत ही बढ़िया डिलीवरी, बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी। 2 छक्के चढ़े यहाँ पर जहांगीर ने इस ओवर में। बहुत ही अच्छे शॉट्स खेले जहांगीर ने, एंड अपनी टीम को 32 पे ले जाएंगे। एंड they had lost their first wicket, and it was the wicket as again it's Tafazul Rahman on the bowling mark. As a great play between CK and Pathan Blues. यहाँ पर स्कूप करेंगे, लेकिन बॉल को मिस करेंगे। विकेट, और एक विकेट यहाँ पर पटन ब्लूज के खाते में। Now as the second wicket of this innings, and it was the wicket. स्कूप करना चाहते थे, लेकिन मिस करेंगे गेंद को। पहले डॉट खेला, एंड नाउ इट्स विकेट फॉर। यहाँ पर नाराज किया अपनी टीम को। एंड द फर्स्ट विकेट वाज it was जुबैर कोहली, जो कि बहुत ही बढ़िया क्रिकेटर है। पहले ही अपनी विकेट खो देंगे जुबैर भाई। Jahangir on the crease was standing tall for his team. 2 छक्के चढ़े जहांगीर ने अभी तक. And that's Tafazul Rahman. It was the first delivery of this over, and it was a wicket for Blue Star Cricket Club Patan. It was the second wicket, and the bowler Tafazul Rahman is looking pretty good. As King network issue, Faisal bhai. We can't do anything for this. This is the issue of this place. We can't do anything. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद, शॉर्ट लेंथ पे बाल के गेंद फेंकिंग है, बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग तफजुल रहमान के द्वारा. नेटवर्क इशू, सॉरी फॉर दिस. यहाँ पर जगह ही ऐसी है, यहाँ पर पूरे नेटवर्क नहीं आते. एंड बने रहे ऐसा दानिश ऑन द स्ट्राइक. यहाँ पर कैच एज अ बिग विकेट फॉर Blue Star Patan. As a wicket. बहुत ही निराश करेंगे अपनी टीम को. And it's the third wicket of this innings. As Tafazul Rahman was looking pretty good. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी की तफजुल रहमान ने. पहली बॉल पे विकेट, दूसरी डॉट खिलाई. And now is the third ball delivery as a wicket for Tafazul Rahman. As the second wicket, and it's Pogga. As Wani Faisal, who is watching this live stream through YouTube, thank you for joining us. Wani Faisal is a match between Al Halan and Patan. It's Blue Star Patan and Czech Super King. As a great battle between Al Halan and Patan. As a great bowling by Tafazul Rahman. As it was the second wicket for Tafazul Rahman, and the catch was taken by wicket keeper Salik. He took the catch very beautifully. As a great bowling by Tafazul Rahman, and is a wicket keeper behind Salik Vani. Will catch it beautifully. बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर तफजुल रहमान के द्वारा. और इस पर एजाज बिलाल सुक्का है जो अभी ग्राउंड में है और अभी कमेंट्री करने के लिए आएंगे. तब तक बने रहे. And now it will be fourth delivery for Tafazul Rahman. And it's Jahangir on the crease as a new batsman. बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी तफजुल रहमान के द्वारा. एंड नाउ इज अ न्यू बैटर. और इस बार बड़ा खेलेंगे. फील्डर नीचे थे लेकिन फील्डर के ऊपर से गेंद चली जाएगी 6 रन के लिए. मिड विकेट के ऊपर से खेला है इस गेंद को. छक्का जड़ेंगे समी भाई. समी इज लुकिंग प्रीटी गुड. इज अ गुड प्लेयर समी. बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट है समी के ओर. बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी, लेकिन इस बार छक्का जड़ेंगे समी. पहली गेंद फेस की, पहला छक्का जड़ा समी ने. यहाँ पर अपना खाता छक्के से खोला समी भाई ने. एंड नाउ तफजुल जो कि अच्छे गेंदबाज है. एंड कैच की मांग थी लेकिन बहुत दूर थी विकेट कीपर से. As Sami and Jahangir on the crease, as Tafazul Rahman with his last delivery. बहुत ही बढ़िया विकेट कीपिंग यहाँ पर सालिक वानी के द्वारा. एंड इट इज तफजुल जो कि अपनी लास्ट डिलीवरी वाइड डिलीवरी करेंगे. एंड अभी इस ओवर की एक डिलीवरी बाकी है जो कि समी भाई फेस करेंगे. समी भाई who played 2 balls and there was one beautiful 6 and now the third delivery. Oh, what a beautiful stroke. What a beautiful stroke by Sami. That's a great shot. That's a beautiful shot by Sami. Oh, what a shot by Sami. And it was the shot over deep extra cover. बहुत ही बढ़िया shot Sami by Cure. That's a great shot over deep extra cover. Well played Sami by. It's Savit Nalai who joining us. It's Jahangir show करेगा आज. I hope so inshallah. Hell done for you. It's Jahangir and Sami on the crease. It's Sami who faced 3 balls, and in 3 balls there was 2 beautiful sixes, 2 mighty sixes. First one was over mid wicket, and it was the second six of Sami over deep extra cover. As a beautiful stroke by him. It's Sami who got beautiful power, beautiful techniques, and he has beautiful shots also.
Okay, tá aí.
It's Tanveer Rashid who is joining us. Thank you for joining this live stream. And this is CK Pulhalan. And it's Jahangir on the crease. Oh, टॉट डिलीवरी यहाँ पर फॉर की ओर यहाँ पर स्लिप करेंगे. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद लेकिन स्लिप करेंगे. और इस बार जहांगीर बड़ा खेलेंगे. देयर इज अ फील्ड ब्लो बट गेंद बहुत लंबा जाएगी 6 के लिए. It's Palhala versus Patan. Salim Aijaz who is bowling 6th over of this innings. First one was dot delivery, and it's Jahangir on the crease. Again he smashed it over deep mid wicket. That's a great play between CK Pulhalan and BS Patan. There's a little bit of slip in the bowling crease, and this was the first delivery. And now he'll bowl his 3rd delivery of his over, and it's Jahangir who is looking pretty good. Oh, what a stroke by Jahangir. Again he'll smash over point. It was the short over deep point, and it will travel for 6. बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर जहांगीर की ओर. Now Jahangir is on 25. He only faced 12 balls. बहुत ही बढ़िया बैटिंग यहाँ पर जहांगीर करते हुए. जहांगीर जैसे 25 रन्स जड़े सिर्फ 12 बॉल्स में. एंड नाउ इट्स सलीम एजाज अपनी 4वीं. व्हाट अ शॉट बाय जहांगीर. एज अ ग्रेट शॉट बाय जहांगीर, एंड एज द हैट्रिक फॉर 6s. 3 consecutive 6s by Jahangir. Jahangir who smashed 3 consecutive sixes. And it's the partnership between Sami and Jahangir. It's a partnership of 31 runs only in 17 balls. And now it's Jahangir standing tall for his team as Jahangir was on 31. And Shahnawaz here जो कि चेंज करेंगे बॉल को. लंबा खेला यहाँ पर जहांगीर ने. As a great play between Patan and CK. Again, Salim. बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद थी लेकिन इट्स जहांगीर जिसने 3 छक्के चढ़े कंटिन्यूसली जो कि 3 कंसेक्यूटिव जो कि हैट्रिक थी 6 की. एंड नाउ सलीम विद हिज लास्ट बॉल फ्लिक करेंगे लेकिन फाइन पे फील्ड खड़े हैं एंड बहुत ही अच्छी तरह रोक लेंगे. एंड CK जो कि अभी बैटिंग कर रहे हैं और ब्लू स्टार पटन जो कि बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं अभी. एंड 63 with the loss of 3 wickets and 6 overs are gone. एंड समी क्रीज पर नजर आते हुए नजर आएंगे हमें. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, बहुत ही बढ़िया बैटिंग यहाँ पर जहांगीर एंड समी के बीच एक अच्छी कॉम्बिनेशन बनती हुई है. एंड नाउ 6 ओवर समाप्त हो गए और 63 रन्स हो गए विद द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स. CK Palalan. नाउ इट्स दानिश ऑन द बॉलिंग मार्क. दानिश DK जो कि अपना पहला ओवर करेंगे इस इनिंग का. एंड इट्स समी भाई ऑन द क्रीज. समी भाई जो कि अच्छा शो खेलेंगे यहाँ पर. 1 रन छुड़ाने में कामयाब रहेंगे. समी और जहांगीर के बीच बहुत ही बढ़िया तालमेल, बहुत ही बढ़िया रनिंग विकेट. Now it's Jahangir on the crease. Jahangir who smashed 3 consecutive sixes in the previous over, and now again there's a fielder below, but the ball will travel over the fielder and it will travel for 4. As a nice batting by Jahangir, and the ball will travel for 4. And now it's Jahangir who is on 35, who scored 35 runs only in 16 balls, and it's umpire, it's Lala there who declared this 4. As a beautiful bowling by Danish, but the sport was no good. And Jahangir, what a delivery by Danish. With this, CK will move to 68 with the loss of 3 wickets. And now is a further delivery of this over. And there's a fielder, and it's a nice stop by the fielder. It's Danish DK. With his 5th ball in his previous 4 balls, he only gave 5 runs. And again, Jahangir wants to play a big shot, but he'll miss the ball. And there's a safe fence behind the stumps. Salif Wani will stop it. nicely. And now Danish DK with his last delivery. Oh, there's a fielder below, but the fielder will miss it, and it was far for him. And it was Zubair Vani, the big wicket of Czech Super King. Zubair Vani only scored 13 runs for his team. Danish DK, very beautiful over bowled by Danish DK. And again, it's Jahangir on the crease. As a beautiful play between Czech Super King and Blue Star Patel. And the score is 69 with the loss of 3 wickets. And now it's Jahangir on the crease again. He will face Salim. Oh, what a beautiful shot! What a beautiful shot by Jahangir. Jahangir is looking very beautiful. He is smashing the bowlers, and it's Jahangir who is on 40. He only faced 21 balls and scored 40 runs. And again, it's Salim on the bowling mark. In the previous over, Salim Ajaz gave 3 consecutive sixes, who smashed Jahangir. And now again it's Jahangir who's looking pretty good as a 4 for Jahangir. It was the first delivery of Salim Ajaz, and as a beautiful shot by Jahangir. And now again it's Salim with the second delivery. There's no fielder. The ball will find the gap and it will travel for 4. There are lots of runs coming in. There's a big man Jahangir who is smashing the balls, and it's Salim Ajaz with his third delivery. Again he'll play a big, but there's a fielder behind. There's a fielder below. It's in the air and drop it by the fielder. There was fielder below. There was an opportunity. There was a big man Jahangir. There was fielder in the deep fine leg, but it'll drop this opportunity for his team. And now as a chance for Jahangir with his big one. There's fielder, but the ball will find the gap and it will travel for 4. Jahangir, who has scored 50 runs only in 24 balls, as a 50 for Jahangir for his team. Jahangir is looking pretty good. And again, as a beautiful shot by Jahangir, but there's a fielder who will stop it nicely. Again, as a beautiful partnership between Sami and Jahangir, as a partnership of 50 runs, and it was Sami. And 8 overs are gone, and it's CK who scored 85 runs only in 8 overs. I think it was not the cage, it was the match for, it was the turning point. There was a big man Jahangir, and now again it's Danish DK. Danish DK with the second over. Oh, as it missed, was missed by keeper Sadiq Mane. But there's a third man behind, and now again it's Sami. Oh, it's a big one. There's a fielder behind. Oh, well taken by the fielder. There's a good catch. As a Sami. There was fielder there. As a great effort by the fielder. He took it beautifully. With this, 4 wickets are gone. And 85 runs are scored by CK. And it's wicket for Danish TK. Danish TK is bowling pretty good. The only bowler who is bowling beautifully. It was a well organized tournament. The organizers are Lala and Shah Nawaz. There's Tawfiq also. With this, CK will move to 85 with a loss of 4 wickets. And 8.2 overs are gone. And it was a wicket for Danish TK. As a new batter, Nisar. Oh, well, nice stop by the field off safe. As a beautiful bowling by Danish TK. Danish TK with his 4th delivery. And Nisar Ahmed will face him again. As a dot delivery. Nisar Ahmed. It's Danish TK who beat him. And again as a 5th delivery of this over. Oh, well played by. Nice stop by Nisar Ahmed. And again as the last delivery of this over. Oh, well bowling by Danish TK. As a great bowling by him. Jahangir and Nisar Ahmed on the crease now. And the first wicket was of Zubair Vani. Zubair Vani who scored only 13 runs, and it was Shah Yaqub who scored 0 runs and faced 8 balls. And it was Danish who also scored 0. And it's Sami who smashed 2 beautiful sixes, who faced 7 balls and scored 14 runs for his team. And now it's Nisar Ahmed and Jahangir on the crease. Jahangir is looking pretty good, and now it's Jahangir on the crease. As a beautiful bowling by Danish TK. It was the 2nd over. Who bowled it beautifully for his team. There's a beautiful start, but they also lose wickets early. There's a beautiful start, but the plotters also there are big losses for CK. As a new bowler, Sohail on his bowling mark. And now 9 overs are gone, 85 runs are scored with a loss of 4 wickets. As a beautiful play between CK and PBB. Check Super King and Blue Star Patton. And now Jahangir will face Sohail, the new bowler. Oh, what a shot by Jahangir. Another 6. Another beautiful 6 by Jahangir. What a shot. As a great shot by him. Nicely played. What a beautiful shot. What a beautiful stroke by Jahangir. Jahangir looking pretty good as a great player. And again is the 2nd delivery of this over. Oh, nicely played by Jahangir. This is
is Sohail to the batsman Jahangir. Jahangir, he's on 61 and another good shot at the end. Very good fielding by the bowler. And this is dot no run. Score remains on 95 and they lost 4 wickets after 9.3 hours. Jahangir plays on 61 runs and he just faced 28 challenges. Very good बैटिंग बाय जहांगीर की अगर हम बात करें तो बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे. This is Tanveer Rashid बैटिंग. Kami Karan, thank you Tanveer Rashid Saab for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. Sweet नालायक नेटवर्क इशू है उसके लिए हम बहुत ही माजरत का है. यहाँ पे इस नेटवर्क का इशू रहता है उसके लिए सॉरी फॉर नेटवर्क. Sweet नालायक साहब, thank you for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. And Latif Chopan, thank you for watching this live stream. This is Sohail to the batsman Jahangir. Jahangir, he is on 61 and he faces only 29. The score is and this is a dot delivery. Good delivery by Sohail. No runs. Score remains on 95 and they lost 4 wickets after 9.4 hours. Malkinmut, thank you for watching this live stream. Latif Chopan Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. और आप लाइव स्ट्रीम आपके पास वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है और हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है आप कमेंट सेक्शन में. दिस इज अ कैच. दिस इज अ विकेट फॉर Patan Bellus and Palhalan, they lost their 5th wicket and they have 95 runs on board and they lost their 5th wicket in the shape of Jahangir. Jahangir, well played by Jahangir. Jahangir ने बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया, बहुत ही अच्छी बैटिंग की. Now the new batsman is Nisar Ahmed. He is on strike now. Latif Choban, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Sweet Nalaik, Assalamu alaikum. Murtaza Ashraf, good call and advice. Thank you Murtaza Ashraf for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. King, Assalamu alaikum. Bilal bhai, thank you King Saab for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. Network issue, नेटवर्क साइड का चेंज. नेटवर्क साइड यहाँ पे थोड़ा इशू जो है नेटवर्क का हमेशा रहता है तुलबाग ग्राउंड में. दिस इज 3rd एडिशन टूर्नामेंट सुपर कप T20 प्लेड एट चुका तुलबाग ग्राउंड. Sohail takes his first wicket. This is his first over and take first wicket. Now the new batsman on strike is Nisar Ahmed. Is the new batsman. The score is 95 on board and they lost 5 wickets. आप सबका बहुत ही शुक्रिया शेख तनवीर साहब. इंशाल्लाह शेख विन तनवीर साहब, thank you for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal Imran. Oh, this is another good delivery by Sohail. I love Jahangir and Danish bhai, thank you Sheikh तनवीर. शेख जहांगीर ने अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ करनी होगी उतनी कम है. 30 बॉल्स में 61 रन, बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज जहांगीर ने. एंड दानिश भाई इज आल्सो प्लेड वेल. सो द स्कोर on board is 95 and they lost 5 wickets. Danish DK is on his bowling mark to the batsman Nisar Ahmed. अगर हम निसार अहमद की बात करेंगे तो बहुत ही शौकीन है क्रिकेट खेलने का. Danish, this is another shot but at the end is missed and this is single for the batsman. The score moves on 96 and they lost 5 wickets after 10.1 hours. Imran now is the batsman, new batsman. He is on strike now. Danish TK. Shah Saif Nisar play well. This is another good shot played by the new batsman Imran for first 6 for Imran and this is another 6 for the Falhalan 86. The score moves on. This is a good batting. Score moves on 102 run. Well played by Imran. This is 6 for Imran and 6 for CK. Check. CK score on board is 102 runs. Danish TK on his bowling mark to the batsman Imran. Shah Saif well Nisar Bedi Nisar Saab, thank you Shah Saif Saab and you always support Nisar Saab. बहुत ही शौकीन है खेलने के. जाहिद भट्ट सारे विलेज टूर्नामेंट है क्या. Yes, Zahid Bhatt Safar, thank you for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream and you can Danish bhai Sheikh Tanveer Sheikh Danish bhai. This is another good shot played but at the end it is a good feeling. What is here missed by the fielder, and this is another 4 for Imran and another 4 for CK. The score moves on 106 runs, and this is Lazy fielding here. Sheikh Tanveer Saab, Danish Bhai, thank you Sheikh Tanveer Saab for watching this live stream. So Tajib. What's up? That was India. What's going on? This is a total very good delivery by Danish TK. Score remains on 106, and they lost 5 wickets. Shah Saif Nisar is my best friend from childhood. Thank you Shah Saif Saab for and best luck for your best friend Nisar Saab. Sheikh Tanveer. This is Nisar Ahmad. Now he is on strike. बहुत ही शौक रखते हैं खेलने का निसार अहमद. शाह साहब इस टीम से खेलता हूँ मैं भी इस वीक कर आऊँगा इंशाल्लाह. वेलकम बैक इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह आपको अच्छी तरह से अपने घर पहुँचाए शाह साहब. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग, थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट. दिस इज Sohail to the batsman Nisar Ahmad. He faces 5 deliveries and make 1 run. Sohail, this is his second over, and he takes 1 wicket already. Sohail to that batsman Nisar. This is wide delivery given by the umpire Shahnawaz Ajaz Pandit. Match किस का है? This is match is between Chak Palhalan versus Pattan. The two teams. First Chak Palhalan, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 11 hours, the score on board is 107. This is another wide delivery given by the umpire and missed by the wicket keeper. Wide and 4. Ajaz Pandit, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Sohail on his bowling mark to the batsman Nisar. आपको हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही और हमारी आवाज़ आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही? This is good shot played by the batsman but only a single. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single the score moves on 113. And they lost 5 wickets. Nisar, he is on non-strike. Imran, he is on strike now. This is another single by the two batsmen. Score goes on 114 runs and they lost 5 wickets. आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. Thank you for watching this. This is another good delivery by Sohail. अगर हम सोहेल की बात करेंगे तो एक अच्छा सा विकेट दिलाया अपनी टीम को. उसका दूसरा ओवर है और 18 रन खर्च करके 1 विकेट दिया अपनी टीम को. This is Nisar Ahmad. He is on strike and plays a shot for another single. The score of Nisar Ahmad, he moves on 3 runs. Here is a misfield by the fielder. The two batsmen take another run. With this run, the score goes on 16 runs, 116, and they lost 5 wickets after 11.4 hours. Now Nisar, he is on strike now. He is on 4 runs. Shah Saif, ये पहली इनिंग है. Yes, Shah Saif, this is first inning of this match between the two teams. Very good, interesting match between the two teams. This is another missed by wicket keeper for another 4. Not good keeping by wicket keeper. ये जो मैच है दो टीमों के दरमियान सीके वर्सेस पटन, दोनों टीमों के दरमियान आज बहुत ही कड़ा मुकाबला है और 121 रन बोर्ड पे और 5 विकेट गंवाए है सीके ने. Now Sohail, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Nisar Ahmad. Nisar Ahmad plays a huge shot, but at the end, good keeping by the fielder. Very good catch taken by the fielder of Patan. This is the 6th wicket for CK, and this is hand of Nisar Ahmad. He goes on 4 runs. This is out, and this is well catched by the player of Patan. He take बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे. पटन ने अच्छा खेल दिखाया आज. CK, they have only 121 run on board and they lost 6 wickets after 11.5 hours. निसार को मेरा सलाम बोला. थैंक यू शाह साहब फॉर You are love to Nisar Saab. Thank you, and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. At present, the two teams are Patan versus CK. First, CK win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 11.5 hours, the score on board is 121 run, and they lost 6 early wickets. Now the new batsman, he come on strike. आप तक हमारी वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है और हमारी आवाज़ आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. सोहेल, he take his second wicket and this is second over of सोहेल. बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे सोहेल ने. सोहेल to the batsman इमरान, and this is another good delivery by the bowler Sohail. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 121 and they lost 6 early wickets. And Sohail completed 2 outs and he take 2 wickets. Fall off wicket 30, 32, 32, 85, 95. Below star players Patan, they need good bowling here if they want the target of 161 70. Now CK Palalan, they need here aggressive batting, they need good batting, they need big partnership here if they want to give the target of 200 runs to Patan Blues. Now after 12 hours the score on board is 121 run and they lost 6. This tournament is played at Chukatul Bagh ground. T20 tournament played at third condition. That organized body of this tournament are Mr. Abdul Hamid Wana, जिसको हम लाला के नाम से जाना जाता है, Mr. Shahnawaz Sahab and Mr. Tawfiqul Noor. They are organized body of this tournament. Well disciplined and impressive cricket tournament played at Chukatul Bagh ground. Now the bowler, he is on his bowling mark. The new bowler Danish on his bowling mark to the batsman Imran. He is on 11 runs. He just faced 7 deliveries. Arif Mallah is on news non-strike end. And this is another good delivery by Danish. दानिश की हम अगर बात करेंगे तो इसने एक अच्छा सा कैच लिया अपनी टीम के लिए. एक ही हाथ से कैच लपक लिया निसार अहमद का और एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा दिखाया यहाँ पे दानिश ने. So Danish on his bowling mark to the batsman Imran. Imran plays a shot for single. With this single the score moves on 122 runs. यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करेंगे पटन बिलूज की, पहले 3-4 विकेट जल्दी से चटकाए सीके के. आफ्टर दैट जहांगीर ने एक अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे. And this is wicket for Danish and this is another loss for CK. They lost their 7th wicket and the shot out that is not good batting here by Imran. Imran lost his wicket on 12 runs. Danish take his first wicket. This is first hour for Danish after 12.33 hours. The score on board is 122 and they lost 7 wickets. Shah Saif, very good quality and wise. Thank you Shah Saif.
ऊपर आसमान पर बादल बाइनी दस मंडराते हुए और पटन पर बादल थोड़ी सी मंडराते हुए, क्योंकि हैवी हो चुका है
पटन बिलूज.
पटन बिलूज हैवी चुका है. वहाँ पर एक खिलाड़ी ने पारी खेली, यहाँ पर उन्होंने दिखाया कि हम भी किसी से कम नहीं हैं. बहरहाल देखेंगे दूसरी इनिंग में कैसी पटिंग बल्लेबाजी करेंगे और देखेंगे पटन क्या टारगेट देगा इनको. पटन चौक सॉरी, जब तक पटन की बात की, पटन में भी कई सारे खिलाड़ी ऐसे जो मैच को निकालना जानते, खासकर मोहसिन भाई.
And thank you Lala, thank you for this time. This is good. The Abdul Hamid Wani, जिसको हम लाला के नाम से जाना चाहते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का तजुर्बा रखते हैं और हम पेरिंग इस वक्त कर रहे हैं. So this is Danish, he take his first wicket and this is good delivery by Danish, takes a wicket for his team. And CK, they lost their 7th wicket and they have only 122 run on board after 12.3 hours. Shah Saif Saab, thank you for your support, thank you for watching this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And the new batsman now on strike, Wajid 3, he is on strike. Now Danish on his bowling mark to the new batsman Wajid. अगर हम यहाँ पटन बिलूज की बात करेंगे तो जल्दी से 3 विकेट चटकाए और बीच में जहांगीर ने एक अच्छी पारी का मुजाहरा किया. दानिश टू वाजिद. And this is a white delivery given by the umpire, Mr. Lala. Score moves on 123 run after 12.3 hours. यहाँ पे दरकार होंगे विकेट चाहिए पट्टन बिल्लूज को, अगर वो चाहते हैं कि टारगेट 160 तक रहे, और सीके को चाहिए कि एग्रेसिव बैटिंग if they want to give target 180 190 to Pattan Billus. This is wide delivery and missed by wicket keeper for wide pies 4. Shah Saib Saab out हो गया. Arif, thank you Shah Saib Saab for your comment, and you also watching my live stream and you also supports me. उसके लिए बहुत ही शुक्रिया आपका आरिफ साहब, शाह साहब साहब. This is Danish to the batsman Wajid, and this is another single taken by Wajid, and he opens his account with a single. The score goes on 129 run, and they lost 7 wicket. Now Danish on his bowling mark to the batsman Imran. Oh, this is another wicket for Danish. This is good bowling by Danish and clean board. Imran goes on 12 runs and he just faced 9 deliveries. This is 8th wicket for CK. CK lost their early wickets. Danish bowling is very good. He takes his second wicket. अगर हम दानिश की बात करें तो बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज 2 विकेट चटकाए और एक अच्छा सा कैच लपेटा उसने अपनी टीम के लिए. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ दानिश ने. Now their score on board is 129 runs and they lost their 8 wickets. Now they have only 2 wickets in hand. Wajid, this is not good batting by CK. एक अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया था दानिश की जहांगीर की तरफ से, लेकिन फिर अगर हम बाकी प्लेयरों की बात करें तो नाकाम हो गए खेलने में. दानिश की बात करें, बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज दानिश ने. 2 विकेट चटकाए, सिर्फ 8 रन खर्च करके और एक अच्छा सा कैच दिया अपनी टीम को. Now the new batsman on crease and he is on strike. Mudassir is the new batsman and Danish on his bowling mark to the batsman Mudassir. This is 129 on board and they lost 8 wickets. Now Danish to the batsman Mudassir. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आपको हमारी क्वालिटी, वीडियो क्वालिटी और हमारी वॉइस आपके पास कैसी आ रही है. प्लीज़ कमेंट इन कमेंट सेक्शन. नाउ दानिश टू द बैट्समैन मुदस्सिर. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire Lala. This is wide and score goes on 130 run and they lost 8 early wickets. If अगर पटन बिल्लूज की बात करें, उनको यहाँ जल्दी विकेट चाहिए तो एक कम टोटल होगा बोर्ड पे. अगर पलान की बात करें सीके के, अगर वो एक बड़ा सा लक्ष्य देना चाहते हैं पटन बिल्लूज को, तो यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है. बिकॉज दे हैव रिमेनिंग 5 overs. Chuck Super Kings Jahangir is the batsman who plays 61 knock 30 ball semi is also 14. Zubair Wani, Tafizur Rahman is good bowling and Danish he takes 2 wickets in his first over. Very good bowling by Danish. And this is the end of 13 hours and the score is on board 131 run and they lost 8 wickets. दानिश ने 3 विकेट कंप्लीट किए और सिर्फ 17 रन खर्च करके 1 विकेट दानिश जी के. On his bowling mark, this is a good delivery and is by wicket keeper. The 2 batsmen take a single in the shape of pies. Score moves on 131. Danish to the batsman. Batsman plays a good shot for 4. This is 4 for CK, 4 for the batsman Wajid. Danish उसका चौथा ओवर है ये, 1 विकेट चटकाया और 17 और 21 रन दिए अपने इस चौथे ओवर में. So Danish TK, he is on his bowling mark to batsman Wajid. This is another shot played by Wajid, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder Noran. Score remains on 136 and they lost 8 wickets. Danish to Wajid, and this is another good delivery by Danish. This is dot delivery Noran. Score remains on 136. Danish DK on his 4th over to the batsman Wajid. This is another bounce delivery, good delivery by Danish DK. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 136. अगर हम दानिश की बात करें, बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का यहाँ पे. This is another good shot, but at the end good fielding by the fielder Danish. Good fielding. After 14 hours, the score on board is Tufeizur Rahman 2 विकेट चटकाए, सोहेल भट्ट 2 विकेट चटकाए, दानिश शेख उसने भी 2 विकेट चटकाए अपने टीम के लिए। बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे पट्टन ब्लूज ने, क्योंकि उन्होंने जल्दी जल्दी विकेट चटकाए अपने इस इनिंग में। 137 8 विकेट खोए है सीके ने। After 14 hours, now Danish Sheikh, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Mudassir. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire Lala. दानिश का ये दूसरा ओवर है, उसने 2 विकेट चटकाए और 11 रन खर्च किए। बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज दानिश ने। Now Danish, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Wajid. And this is good shot played by the batsman Wajid for another 4 for CK. This is 4 for Wajid. With this 4, the score moves on 142 run. 142 run on board and they lost 8 wickets. Can CK give the target of 180? It will be seen next 180, 190 to Patan Blues. It will be seen in next. Danish another top delivery, good delivery by Danish. Score remains on 142 and they lost 8 wickets. Now Danish to the batsman Wajid, he's on 10 runs. And this is another shot played by the batsman for a single. Score goes on 143 runs and they lost 8 wickets. Danish on his bowling mark to the batsman Mudassir. And good delivery by Danish, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 144 after 14.4 hours. Shah Saib Saab keep playing until 20 hours. Thank you Shah Saib Saab for your support to CK. They need to stay here, they need a good partnership and they need big shots here if they want to give the target of 200, 192 Patan Blues. And this is another good fielding by the fielder of Patan Blues. The 2 batsmen take single. Score goes on 145 runs after 14.5 hours. Now Danish on his bowling mark. This is last delivery for this over, for Danish's second over. Mudassir, he is on strike now. Oh, this is good delivery by Danish, missed by the batsman, and this is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 145 after 15 hours. In this, extras are 27 runs. Yet to bat for CK, Unique Yaqub, Zubair Wani, Jahangir, Yaqub, Danish, Sami, Nisar Ahmad, Imran and Arif Mallah. They lost their wickets. Wajid Sultan, he is on batting, and Mudassir, he is on batting. They are 2 batsmen, and Unique Yaqub is yet to bat for CK. Now Tufeizur Rahman, इसके हम बात करेंगे उसका चौथा ओवर है। 20 रन खर्च करके 2 विकेट चटकाए अपने नाम, अपनी टीम के लिए। This is another good shot played, but at the end it is a good catch by the fielder. This is another wicket for Tufeizur Rahman and another wicket for Patan Blues. And CK lost their 9th wicket. Now they have only 1 wicket, and the score on board is 145 runs, and they lost 9 wickets. Yeah. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पटन ब्लूज ने, खासकर तुफेजुर रहमान, उसने अपने 3 विकेट चटकाए अपनी टीम के नाम, और इसका चौथा ओवर है। 20 रन खर्च करके 3 विकेट चटकाए तुफेजुर रहमान ने। नाउ ऑन बोर्ड फॉर 145 रन एंड दे लॉस्ट देयर 9 विकेट। नाउ दे हैव ओनली 1 विकेट if they want to stop this evening on below 160, 165. Unique Yaqub is the new batsman for CK, and this is the last batsman, last year for CK. Jat Sokun, it is so good. Thank you, Jat Shokin Sa, for watching. This is Tufeizur Rahman, and this is shot played by the batsman and missed by wicketkeeper for 4. 4 for CK, 4 for the new batsman Unique Yaqub. Jat Shokin Sa, follow by. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas page links, and on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Now Tufeizur Rahman to the batsman Unique Yaqub. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज तुफेजुर रहमान की तरफ से, 3 विकेट चटकाए, एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट टू द बैट्समैन Unique Yaqub. Unique Yaqub plays another shot, but at the end good fielding, the 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the This is 150 for CK, and they lost 9 wickets. Now Mudassir, he is on strike now. यहाँ पे अगर दरकार होंगे 180 तक तो शॉट्स खेलने होंगे CK को, but good bowling by Tufezur Rahman. Another dot delivery, no runs. Score remains on 150 and they lost 9 wickets. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज तुफैजुर रहमान ने। 3 विकेट दिलाई अपनी टीम को, सिर्फ 25 रन खर्च किए। Now he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Mudassir. This is another good delivery by Tufezur Rahman. Here is yes no, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. Score goes on 151 and they lost 9 wickets. This is last year for CK. This is the first inning of this match between CK versus Patan Blues. First CK win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 15.5 hours they have only 159 run on board and they lost 9 wickets. Now this is last year for CK. Unique Yaqub, he is on strike now. Tufezur Rahman to Unique Yaqub. And this is a shot played by the batsman Unique Yaqub for another single. Here is run for CK, and this is the end of 16 hours and they have 152 run. Jahangir is only the batsman for CK. He plays very well knock and he makes 61 run in just 30 deliveries. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज जहांगीर ने। 61 runs बनाए सिर्फ 3 गेंदों पे। Tufezur Rahman completes his 4 hours and this is good bowling by Tufezur Rahman. He take 3 wickets and give only 26 runs. Now दानिश की हम बात करेंगे तो उसने भी अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज। एक अच्छा सा कैच लिया अपने एक ही हाथ से और 2 विकेट चटकाए अपने टीम के लिए, सिर्फ 18 रन खर्च किए। Now this is the last wicket for CK. Unique Yaqub, he is on strike. Danish to Unique Yaqub and this is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 152 and they lost 9 wickets. If CK want to give the target of 180, 190 to Patan Blues, they need here big shots. This is another good delivery by Danish. This is dot delivery, no runs. Score remains on 152 run and they lost 9 wickets. This is Danish to the batsman Unique Yaqub. This is a shot played by the batsman Unique Yaqub, but only a single for CK for Unique Yaqub. With this single, the score moves on 153 runs. Mudassir, he is on strike now. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube. This is Danish to the batsman Mudassir. Mudassir is plays another lazy shot here, but the batsman take a single. With this single, the score moves on 154 run. Now Danish on his bowling mark to the batsman Unique Yaqub. This is a good catch taken by the bowler Danish. This is 3rd wicket for Danish and end of this evening 155 is the target for Patan Blues. Good bowling, good catching by Patan Blues and this is end of CK. The target for Patan Blues is 155 runs in 20 hours. और आपका शुक्रिया आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए। अब हम थोड़ा वक्फा लेंगे और वक्फे के बाद फिर आपसे हम इंशाल्लाह फिर आप हम ये लाइव नशरियात दिखाएंगे। So this is end of first inning. Below Star Patan needs 155 runs in 20 overs. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Keep share this live stream with your friends and with you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal.